There are several energy stealing culprits, however, I'll just cover one today. We hear talk about carbohydrates all the time, and first of all, we must stop demonizing all carbs. Refined carbs are what's the problem today. So, what is a refined carb? So, foods that fall into this category are things like white pasta, white bread, donuts, croissants, bagels. These are Western staples, part of the SAD, Standard American Diet. So, why do these foods drain your energy? To understand this, I first need to explain what the word refined means in refined carbs or refined carbohydrates. So, refined means that they're not a whole food, they're foods that have been manipulated and stripped of fiber and nutrients. So let's take brown rice versus white rice. Brown rice is a whole grain or a complex carbohydrate. This means that it hasn't been processed, it still has all the fiber and nutrients intact. You see, whole grains like brown rice have three parts, and those three parts are the bran, germ, and endosperm. So these three parts, they actually contain nutrients for your body, including antioxidants, B vitamins, fiber, minerals, and healthy fats. Brown rice contains all these parts, but white rice does not. All white rice actually started out as brown rice. To make brown rice white, the bran and the germ are removed in the refining process, and you're just left with the endosperm. This means that most of the fiber and nutrients have been removed. This is why white rice is a refined carb. So you ask yourself, why do they do this? One of the reasons is shelf stability. It's a sad fact that some manufacturers put their profits ahead of the consumer's health. Also, it's more convenient because it cooks a lot faster. And I don't want anybody to sacrifice their health for convenience, and many millions of people are doing so only to pay for it in the long run with deteriorating health. So, let's talk about why refined carbs deplete you and make you tired. So, when your body digests food, it uses nutrients from the food to do important work like helping to break down the food properly. But when you eat refined carbs like white rice, which have few nutrients, your body has to utilize stored nutrients in order to process and break down what you just ate. And using up those stored nutrients is what depletes your energy levels. So, the pro tip today is to start to upgrade your carbs by basically getting complex carbohydrates. For example, if you're eating pasta salad for lunch, then you could upgrade to that meal that is a tasty quinoa salad like that one I include in my healthy, delicious, energy boosting recipe guide. So, if you want to get free access to my recipe guide, all you'd have to do is simply email me at brandonrdrake@gmail.com and ask for the free recipe guide, and that's it. Nothing hard. I want to really spread the wealth of health to all in the form of healthy, delicious, energy boosting recipes. Peace.